Window installation in New Orleans is essential for both residential and commercial properties. With the unique climate of Louisiana, choosing the right window solutions can significantly impact energy efficiency and comfort. Custom Picture Windows New Orleans offer tailored designs that fit the architectural style of your home or business, ensuring both aesthetic appeal and functionality. Energy-efficient windows in Louisiana are a smart investment for reducing energy costs. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Double-pane windows in New Orleans are particularly effective, providing an extra layer of insulation that enhances energy efficiency. For those living in hurricane-prone areas, hurricane windows in New Orleans are a must-have. These windows are built to withstand high winds and flying debris, offering peace of mind during storm season. Window replacement in New Orleans can upgrade your home's safety and security while also improving its overall appearance. Vinyl windows in Louisiana are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. They resist warping, cracking, and peeling, making them ideal for the humid climate of New Orleans. Window maintenance in Louisiana is simplified with vinyl options, ensuring long-lasting performance. Window consultation in New Orleans provides expert advice on the best picture windows New Orleans styles and materials for your specific needs. Whether you're looking for window upgrades in New Orleans or need guidance on window design, professional consultation can help you make informed decisions. Window replacement in New Orleans is crucial for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. From fixing broken window glass in New Orleans to addressing issues with window frames in Louisiana, timely replacements can prevent further damage and extend the life of your windows. Window customization in New Orleans allows you to create unique window solutions that reflect your personal style. From selecting window hardware in New Orleans to choosing the perfect window treatments in Louisiana, customization options are endless. Window sealing in New Orleans is vital for preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Proper sealing ensures that your windows perform optimally, reducing energy costs and enhancing comfort. Window cleaning in Louisiana is also important for maintaining clear views and prolonging the life of your windows. Window tinting in New Orleans offers additional benefits such as UV protection and glare reduction. This can enhance the comfort of your home or office while also protecting interior furnishings from sun damage. Window security in Louisiana can be enhanced with specialized window hardware and treatments. Residential windows in New Orleans come in a variety of styles and materials to suit any home. From traditional to modern designs, window styles in Louisiana can be customized to match your home's architecture. Commercial windows in Louisiana are designed to meet the specific needs of businesses, offering durability and energy efficiency. Picture Windows New Orleans provide expansive views and allow natural light to flood into your space. These windows are perfect for showcasing the beauty of the Louisiana landscape while also enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home or business.